Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is, with the positive terms, the arithmetic sequence an with the first term that is equal to the common difference, then sigma k1 to 15 1 upon under root ak plus 1 upon under root plus under root ak plus 1 equal to 2. Then what is the value of a4? So student, here it is given that first term is equal to the common difference a equal to d, and you know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an equal to d is also equal to a, so we put a equal to d, n minus 1 into d, and this is d plus nd minus d. So dd cancel, we got an equal to nd. If we put k in place of a n, we got kd, or ak plus 1 equal to k plus 1 into d. Here it is given that sigma k 1 to 15 1 upon under root ak plus under root ak plus 1 equal to 2. Now multiplying this by its conjugate, we got sigma k equal to 1 to 15, its conjugate is ak minus ak plus 1 over ak plus 1 into under root ak minus under root ak plus 1. Okay, we got this. This is given to us equal to 2. So 2 equal to sigma k1 to 15, here under root ak minus under root ak plus 1 over a plus b, a minus b. So this is ak under root ak square minus under root ak plus 1 whole square equal to sigma k equal to 1 to 15. This is under root ak minus under root ak plus 1 over ak minus ak plus 1. Here ak minus ak plus 1, we put the value under root ak minus under root ak plus 1 over ak is kd minus k plus 1 into d. This is k tends to 1 to 15, k equal to 1 to 15 under root ak minus under root ak plus 1 over kd minus kd minus d. So this is cancel out. Finally we got summation k1 to 15, this is ak minus ak plus 1 over minus d. So minus d, 1 upon d. Now apply summation. When we put k equal to 1, this is d, this is d under root d minus under root k plus 1, this is 2. When we put k plus 1, k equal to 1, we got 1d. When we put k equal to 2, 2d, so this is 2d plus under root 2d minus under root 3d plus under root 3d minus under root 4d plus and so on. When we put k equal to 15, in this we got under root 15k minus under root 16 15d under root 16d. So these are cancel out. We got only minus 1 upon d under root d minus under root 16d. So this is 1 upon d under root d minus 4 root d. So this remain minus 1 minus root 3 root d upon d. So minus minus plus 3 root d over d, or 3 upon root d. Okay, d is divided by root d times, and this is given to us 2. So 2 equal to finally 3 upon root d squaring. This is 4, this is 9, this is d. Therefore d equal to 9 upon 4. Now question is asking the value of a4. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and a4 equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 3d, and d is given to a is also equal to d, so d plus 3d, that is 4d. So a4 equal to 4d, and value of d is obtained 9 upon 4. So 4 cancel, therefore a4 equal to 9. So a4 equal to 9. This is our answer. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.